Hi, mema obia akwaba eba channel we so. Na channel ye chere sana obetumi apeska ewo online na. Ena ibisua se na ebetumi ewini Sportybet omo game na ye frɛ no black and red no. I've made videos on that in my other channel, but person me here ebi so this channel because semekaya on my system ability be inti I am winning the game no I de kakra but me so me hu kwan ya ebe to me afaso the winning game inti there's a pattern that I have studied and it is really working inti ebe so sa pattern we the aye inti mon share pattern no into pattern here red black black red black red black red black ni pachonti we na yebe paso bon yede e winning game no into sa pattern we obi a oni enho nimdie no sa pattern we e kire se wo winning so your first game over red na say red no sebi win ya now wabo black in win ya wabo black bio black in win ya wabo red bio inti obefa kala coding we so now what they up game no but say who winipe say wo shasi bio but na mekano. I hope it is very clear and very simple. Ain't if I say we me red so then you lost it and wo sanso echo black and a black no wo winning here. It said also a share acipium from the red. So you repeat the patterns only when you lose, but when you win, I said wo sanso a share and so you double anytime you lose. Until if I say what they once they also, and I will lose the first red. It will call the second black now over black on double no into I said we're trying to say who see this into sana se wo winia ubenya wo one city now wo losing it back plus your profit or your interest. And this is why you have to double each step. Why into what we here until pa to and short one because the better pattern we so Eddie they rename black and red game away into nya ben say yanko your phone so na menchemo sena yabo sa game away. So into the first thing I said we only say I said ubi wo when I say wo app no for Sportybet into say ubi app now we call games. Sorry. Into say moko games now we call red and black. Good. And see, ABR maintenance are option off. Person me try ya pe na atom. And see, pacho yeah, ebeyo. And see, the first one here red. And now we have red so. Okay. Don't say yeah Lucy. And see, go to me so over there now double no until you buy no 20 pesos na yako step 2 ni ayi black nti we on say you winning nti say you winning no e pacho mentua so sanso shasi biom e pacho sa game we dey we be a winning a brade pan you lose e pacho nti go through the process as I'm teaching you is very, very important. Nti menya one trial biom nti I'll start over again, new round. Then let us start again. So red. So I'll start again. New round. Okay. Antibium red. Okay. Get me a percent. Me to me elusina munia nia a patron. Anti ebium. Let me go 10 again. Anti patning bionti. Your call red in subium. Because the reason now red no me and my red number is red no a time winning a time back action black inti so share sana na eden cry you won't lose. It is designed, I've designed it to beat the AI inti mention sibium okay inti emre air conti menye the last trial 9 shadi until young call okay red bill cool. So 10 pesos red good 20 me lose na wako ahen 20 pesos yeah go black 20 patrol say Eden cry to me and Lucy and do the 5th step, that is black no. The highest and matraya the 4th one red no. Debia or nedu bounty. Either you lose compare call red, black, red. Or na debia edu. Now then you win, then you recoup your loss again. But kayo, you have to do what? You have to double the amount when you lose. 2 say what sounds so sharp so when you winning pay start the pattern all over again. And lastly when we say omo deal na say eyako setness wa pacho na sign out of the game. Sign out cry or after so na sign in biom. We are sana a bit refresh AI no on my way be a is sunya na way what I say and say what sign out be a it beats the AI. So guys this is how to win the Sportybet red and black and team pacho obia and try now post your comments I was here so in case let me know because so that I can help you at the comment section. Me will come so maybe try next video. Send able to me every inya almost 100 Ghana CD per hour. And to me the video no able to online in Chibianti. So try and subscribe and be part of the family. But we can be getting more videos on how to make money online team. But as I said to me, attribute with Edu San Mary. That's it. Bye bye.